Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Johnny Alexander Uribe. I am a student for the Engineering Environment, Environmental. I am explained for the choice and unusual situation in my life who I ride bicycle. First time as the finish, and I can't really remember clearly. There hasn't much space right where I lived back then. Then they moved out of the city south to the center. I started to ride the bicycle without the training was it completely disaster because the chain broke for the crash. And couple time later with the three kills resolved three again to the land all right on the first title. The mm, to the K the balance to keep going striding and pedaling. After a few months doing that once or twice per weekend, I ride to see property one pedaling obsta- obstacles. The now that used to get to ride my bike to go to my work.